Okay, let's do this. Thank you so much for choosing us. Hi, GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Na Tuesday. Nyame Eddie Adomiene, very good morning to you. Enko Enfama Ye Papa said, Wajia Tum na only a HR Mokasi and Edo J. Krum, a good year so. I am one sports segments, any Edru Sway, na Enra, the update upon updates, Ebrel. Players are Ekopio Asante Kotoko. I swear, Ebra, na majority of the squad, I can't Drew Cape no. Couple of players, I can come home, Emma, the update, ma, oh, pa, and channel, ho, and Indian Yahoo Brasil, Quine, some pacho, qua. One sa, a bit to me, I can now wash here, I'm on cream dear, every payer, Eddie, Ama, Yina. And I don't pay, yes, several breakfast. Near promise, so say, yes, I did, Dewa, Ebesaba. I don't pay you when you madam win, you could exclusive upon exclusive. Yeah, the amount not be via a couldn't be. So thank you so much. Now, on this episode, the Ram Kakra, Gaka top 4 home come out, you ready? Now, Kotoko preparation, and home soon come out, Yedi Kakra, Yedi Anam Central for Yamia Tum, a D team in that chair. That is Banaba Kwame Gracious and a Ruby Adams. One more FY Papa with vivid information. Ewo Cape Coast Ogwamamu na sadia Endra training ekwakoye anopa beach work most definitely na ewianso ekwaye ball work ball down bia your friend say Cape Coast Sports Stadium most definitely and then so sapepepe and itinerary ebeko coach ora miame ofa kabute ofa Karim Zito Abdul I interview with Asante Kotoko media team. You will premiere a little bit at the amount, not possible. You are the transfer letters. How do ebe who kill? Now, if you want to actually, I can be with Derek Saint Kizito. Thank you so much. Yadoko.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, thank you for watching GH Live. Graka top 4. Mebacho Adumbia Dum Amabibia Sina Quine so kama. Match day 1. Ebaso August Busumi needed to so Gino. Na atwatwa so ede court na nimsa na si nyanko bebe na bibia awie peye ewomu. Na emunchemu kakra ayade ma ye na chiefo ene se si aye bon te se we bo no ye wi a na wo a wobenya maximum points de do pa no me pa chow wona nkunimdi bo de beko ede amount na waba be nkunimdi bo na yakra no the winner of this competition Gaka top 4 esi one now so na bibia timi akoso nti Asante Kotoko de no Krobia eda wane bibia ne Gold Stars Asia mu no na sada na nso ase edukataka na ne wo mo Hearts of Folk enso any efoma Hearts of Lion the proud of Igbe e de bobo so na bibia akoso ni nafo mienu achi Asante Kotoko mepacho sada no na ne bibia ekoso kama Krobia ebebo efoma Hearts of Lion na bibia timi akoso na fe sada nso bibia ne Gold Stars any Hearts of Folk ase edukataka na nanom e de atata so na Krobia remains supreme. I don't be do me Kotoko so any Accra Hearts of Folk and 24th of August. Ebe last game na bibia timi atoto so enumere no nsia and a game no ebeba so sana esitia sada no so earlier on na bibia ne Gold Stars any Hearts of Lion any atata so ntie boya tima obenya most points oba amass more points me ba chow una bibia be kodi ama now yen to aso nku quick one and it says see Kotoko de yatatia for now eto dware say top 4 na nibre abamie papa wono esini nyankobe kwan so won pese om chom bobre na omutumi agye na bibia tumi etu mpon ewo mu na enam saye so e ma enra credible to wanim say Kwara United esia yonkia kansie di nkunim eka miensa e ma ne opponent Ikorodu United etimu mienu now woman next game woman Abia Stars and Abia Warriors and a game and also kakra eto dwa ewo mu na coach Karim Zito ne nkoma watumi adie with Asante Kotoko esa yere kakra somwo na unsa etumi ka bie na yakoya nim yewia exclusive saka nyina no yere betu jabare kan katase of Asante Kotoko media team yenti of kakra yenti of kakra na bibia etumi enkoso 1-1.
It's still very tough for us. It was still very tough, but we'll do everything possible to eliminate them.
Coach, this is a competition that you've had experience playing in. The last time out, you were in the semi-finals, losing to one of the giants of African football. How does that?
Now, they rather will also be thinking about Kotoko than we thinking about them. Because they know or was once an African champion or twice an African champion. So definitely they will be very serious. Us will be more serious than them.
Okay. Coach, looking at
I know it won't be an easy game for Kotoko. Looking at our side with more players, no consistency, we are now trying to build the team to that level. So I think with a little bit of hard work, we can make it. They beat us 1-0 there, I think 2 or 1-0. And then it was 1-0. And we also beat them 1-0 here. It all comes from your preparation and your readiness to play, putting away fears, and then going in with correct attitude. I think you can make Ghana. We have the players. We only have to come together, gel. We try to build them together, bring the attitude back to football. Let them know why they are playing the Africa and the importance of winning the Africa. When we put this all behind in our mind, I think it will gel us to the level we want to reach.
Coach, for the African assignment.
Yes, it will help me a lot. It will help those of us who have qualified to Africa a lot. Because in Ghana, trying to find matches like it is very, very difficult. You don't see Kotoko playing us because they want to strengthen their team. You don't see Midiama playing Kotoko friendly matches. It doesn't come. So I will take this one as some of the friendly matches we are going to play and how I want my boys to play. So I will assess the boys by the top 4 and see how best we can also face Africa.
We have a target for the season. Become Chelsea was to
be able to beat Kotoko. That is where I see how the difficulty is. So it means we also have to overtrain. We have to train very hard and stay focused with correct attitude. I think we can face it. I see every game of Kotoko very difficult. There's no game that is not difficult for us at Kotoko because you can beat every club.
Coach Karim Zito and ordering some kakra atuja exclusive kwan so on a Kotoko media team din komo yen so ya creature kakra ede eso and no pay na when ya chefa ede free mu na ni nyina no okasa ye ede fa yen data ye with Confederation Cup game with that is Tima your friend is say Kwara ya be Kwara o mo ba idini ya me date Kwara United Kwara wo na bibia tumi akoso kama nti ye hopi se bibia betumi aye nkodimdi bo now enra story a mebeye ye edito manim se ene stadium ahodo a CAF G2 ene ade no wohwemu a na kame akoye se Ghana de one stadium ena available a ye betumi ayuzi ama Kotoko fans ni bi aye worried kakra se nti baba yare na ofa don komo boka na se Kotoko boka M5 don komo so se o ma ho ode ana me ba cho de tie ni mu nchemu ene mpanyufie pusu ahoma kakra ni o mo edi nkomo wo CAF aso ye ene se sere mi din kan ye ye wo exit door kese ba ko da ho a se uju hudi a se de anyu DGB attempt ya no so bodin se uye na pitch no su se time a CAF ebe hwe ye na asibuo so na eho no ye jitu me enye yi omo kyerɛ de ɛsɛ wo yɔ so otimi meeti na standard omo kyerɛ sɛ yɛ otimi yɔ na edura there is an exit door a ofrɛ car fa mpanyinfoɔ ɛbɛpene ama wɔn mpanyinfoɔ a ɛbɛyɛ inspection no ɛbɛba abɛyɔ na omo ahwɛ ama bibia tumi akɔ so nti sɛ Kotoko yɛka emia yɛ tam mu ɛyere yɛ ho na bibia tumi bɔ adwumaden na yɛtumi ɛma stadium no ewie pɛyɛ most definitely said the adwumaden of a don komo bo Asante Kotoko bo no you GDA say absolutely ebebue na ebue sa esa Accra Sports Stadium ebesa ba benya one slot account and say Ghana benya one slot Accra Sports Stadium ho na ba be two slot bibia no ebetumi akoso kama no ene kakra yenima yede tuja ede ama yenetiefo ewo kwantempon kwan so eno kakra ede ma yenetiefo ewo munti ema obia ye na antia na game no ebia Accra say all things being equal ye ntimi an conclude anye amane ma anwie peye anase ye anwie peye ewa Kumasi Sports Stadium dia ene yeni option than say Accra Sports Stadium ena ye bebo eno eni nchemu kakra yate anase age ede afri mpanyifo aso eye nemo mpanyifo wa rehemu se susupuno pa omususu ene said the stadium no e kona nim 10 so no anokwa won betumi awie ne ntem so na CAF asa amoma kwanya ababa behwe inspection ba ko twatwo no ma ba beji atum no e de e to dwa wom na ekoba se ya yetimi ya possible yetimi ya stadium ni wie na isid PC ta inspection door no ya na wakai se owura ne din e de Emmanuel Newton da Soberi or links kakra or no obeboa na inspection team no ewie nkurimdie so nti all hands on deck sinodo chiemboa na yentumi nyo na enwie peye ewo mu sene beye na Asante betumi esi akan ewo Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium eno ene kakra de tuja ede ama inatie fom ti fans ana mo ya worried say ebia ene stadium no abasa nti no Asante ba kwakobo ewo bia friend say nkran no it's possible say betumi abo hodie but say wie bibia kama ewo Kumasi a CAF ebeba inspection de amaye na bibia tumi akoso no ene kakra de tuja ede ama inatie fo ewo mu yenkwa ye ne mu tentem so biem na yemfa nsem ne bi entoa so emfama wa ena no pay ye servo de tie ene se Kwara United for no ye ntimi nya wo mu saa me se omo awi ni 3-2 na mo next game a omo bonso me ba chow tournament kese fe ne se Value Jet Cup wo mo next game no wo mo ne Abia Warriors ena ebebo eno so eni chimu a aba beto dwa na ya tese wo mo two major signings Kwara United for no wo mo two major signings bi e aka won team no ho a eno so emu chimu nyina no confirmation no eba ye de ba beto anim ewo mo ye se obawura transfer market ni mu a okọ alata kro no mu a wo mo two players aba beka de omanya ho dada se na ebe ya wo mo league na nkasa Nigeria Premier League no wo mo betumi adom suko ewo mo na last season be bi omo dae no omo ntumi enda ho biem ewo mo se omo anda yie but omo energy the version of FA Cup kromo ena ama omo ne Asante Kotoko anya game a ye beboy na ya to aso ahu ti enra one game no nsusan so kakra 3-2 no eni twa egu wo mo e de esom ewo mo no me so on next game wo ne Abia Warriors ena ebebo ye kwa anim na ye den sam foforo asomwa stadium ahodo a ye ka ho nsami say Nigeria wo mu mienu pe Ghana ni ma no den ba ko pe na Ghana ye wo a ya allow for now so baba ya be ka ho na be 2 na enya me ka ho de mienu ena eye allow e obi e friends Nigeria ho na 2 stadium eye allow e Nigeria no me ba chow eye Moshood Abiola National Stadium Moshood Abiola National Stadium ena afin so Akwa Ibom International Stadium 82 stadium yi emu ba kon ena ese boboko e friend say Kwara United e choose na one Asante Kotoko editata so ewo mu sisi ano Akwa Ibom de no wo mo atimi renovating nicely best afekra maye best few months ago enti once said the kwa de Akwa Ibom International Stadium no e de call Goswell Apabio International Stadium Goswell Apabio International Stadium enti de etitia ne say ebia na Akwa Ibom ho e na Kwara for no ebe yie for now de etitia eno no yesi efri Oyo Akwa Ibom ho bia team no base no that is Ilorin ho no Kwara State ho no me ba cho emu wanso nwa bia sa comparing to say ebiomo komo shoot abiola no eno ene kakra yensa kan yede esum ye netiefo ewo kwantempo kesi is exclusively into 2 stadium ewo bia ye friend say enei Nigeria and also allow said the no ambo ni nyina so my but due to yene Kwara United game into no Nigeria the no ehia ye 2 stadia available no Goswell Apabio International Stadium can any friends say Akwa Ibom Moshood Abiola Sports Stadium and also allow abibia added than akwem kama wombetumi choose no but they ate and it say ebia Akwa Ibom de no Kwara United for no ebe choose and also nsem kakra yede tuja ede amount se si ameno kasa nra naka 13 days na Ghana transfer window no abawi ye meno kasa de atin de aka 12 days 12 good days na transfer window no abawi ye Kotoko ebe 3 signings de minim kakra eno no ebetimi atreste kakra na ebia akwa emienu but de minim and it's a best 3 players and ebia Kotoko betimi I register one more any account 2 to 3 players. Dear me, they two new players, you know. And now make Sule Ibrahim dear Eddie Cherewa and also dear but what lead name at the no. About your a more quacoche, a binum extremua cracks no as I don't know diabruni, to say no, and yes, move free a fruba, come back to Subamuno, almost a yak or your servi, into Sadia, hey, yam pewa, who I say bien and form Rameribia, into cracking on Cotuana Brabasso baby. And no and some kakra fans ni muacha and also kakra go ma in a team for and the expect Kotoko it's likely so 3 players everything about the home and no any the atia yet to jama and no pay bobo so na yaba betnase ebiebiem e de ama oyi papa na yenko ada class ne kakra center back Steven I'm not sure badu okay no Steven I'm not sure badu one also wasashi training ase Eddie Ama Adriana Stars it's likely it's a possible deal ebeko Eddie Ama Adriana so Toby Pau Kotoko nkwa ne eto na donkomi adoma da so na enkrofo atwe srene abasa but Adriana so Toby Pa Stephen I'm not sure badu ebetumi asane Ama Adriana nam so oni omo ye training game and also de etodwa ewomu now yemfam to anime say hat to folk so sane bi pa Eddie Kaho Mekaka Henry Kweku Boateng the amount. One more signing under 17 mainly. Senebea one juvenile side and also ebetimi I intact. Inti what is 16, 17 na and no extra face and pa one junior side and also and almost 20. One more crack of Kai's Tom FC. 16-year-old goalkeeper. And your friend said Otopa Steven. And also Ababe count one and no ancient Mukakra. Ababe toja ewomo enti ye bobo so na ye de amount Kotoko ene training ebe toja no pai na awia biere mu nso training atwa so awia ne anopa na ye bobo na afi bibia atimi akoso Asante Kotoko abatoɔ no akato na brom na eba so all things being equal so bibia ensi nsesan bia amade a ebekɔ na ene ya mene wo kasai said ye unim no register for abu census na okona odi hyimu a chamansolo na de abia nanim otoso mienu na bibia timi akoso kama nti eno kakra edp so ene amount wo Solomon Ofosuware camp na bibia akoso a mpanyfo ogide sampa ene ma de dana kwam kama eno so enchemu kakra de ma inatiefo ewo mu ada wo ma candidate nso ani abre of obin search ni abre pa ene enuano opanyi esbenom ne ade nti obi a eni abresa krodom ba yese wohwemu a de nani abre pa papa no otosumienu no eno Solomon Ofosuware nti sinani bresa ukona akoto aba register for abu census no register ntentem so pa na o register ntema tua 6 months sikatum na utua we are allowed we are eligible legitimately obe vote bi na o de ama favorite number 2 Solomon Ofosuware na bibia timi akose no so kakra yede shim na ya bono bade kakra de ama tiefo ewo munti na no pay in about best an hour na say 2 hours time esa ba na yede live report every honom Cape Coast Guamamu de ama yen central form you know yenu aba Ruby yeda sepa se what information in your ehu kia or your head of sports at the Castle FM Cape Coast Maimu and I say Cape Coast Kroponimu. Ruby, thank you so much. Say all the feedbacks nina and my Kotoko training guns ronum sanso and another Kwame gracious if I could draw some dream tea or also be said you must say now a friend now yet some padding at when Diane channel has stayed glue na yem fan some panning and famau ewu me do see no matter about me ba me the latest update I can ever to us so thank you so much for watching.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?